The penetration of digital financial services in rural areas in Uganda is often challenged by limited digital and financial infrastructure coverage. This, coupled with tight restrictions on money transfers, hinders a big population from embracing new financial technologies.
Bank of Uganda is saying, let's stop checks of over 10 million being transferred. Those are all things that only a government can do. And those are things that push penetration, because if I cannot transfer money over 10 million, then I have to say, okay, let me look at the alternatives.
There is a need to design special relevant product offerings for women, youth, refugees, and vulnerable segments to enhance financial inclusion.
But those banks are requiring collateral, the same problem. So we're going to be in the same space, still not helping the poorest, still not helping the women, still not helping the young people who do not have collateral. And that's the biggest part of our economy. More than 70% of Ugandans are below the age of 35.
In 2021, outstanding financial institutions, which have performed exceptionally in innovating special technologies to include all classes of people in money economy, have been appreciated.
By stretching or the number of transactions that the customer then makes in a way that it then subsidizes the cost associated with that acquisition and building the payments and building the transaction. So I think that's quite important, because
to incentivize the public to adopt smart banking, there is a need for favorable and easy to understand innovations for quick adaptation.
Players like us who are private in nature, that understand these particular needs, that can build products that support this kind of ecosystem.
Because e-money to work, it has to be backed. For every e-shilling, there has to be an actual shilling in Ugandan shilling in a bank or one institution of one kind or the other. So that can only be done by a government.
These corporate companies got awards from disciplines of digital banking, innovation, fintech innovations, among others. Government entities like National Water and Sewage Corporation and Uganda Revenue Authority also received awards for outstanding digital services. Abdul Nasser Lubwama,